So guys, I'm having this very awful problem with my Wii U, and it's not going well, and I really want my Wii U to stay on, and I'm not even pressing the power button. Look at this. I swear, if you turn off right now, I'm gonna scream. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm done. Oh, I caught my Wii U turn off by itself on camera. I didn't even press anything. Did you see that? Now I'm in last. Well, I caught it 4 times on camera, and I don't even think that's fair. And um this literally like the 4th time I caught it on camera. It happened like many times off camera, but is this even fair? Cuz I really want Nintendo to fix this, and it's turning off all by itself. Not only is it scary, but I'd also have to start the whole thing and start the loading and then start all over. And 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 it's annoying and scary. And I want that to stop because I didn't even do anything to it. So so why is it doing it? Don't you think don't Sorry, it's hard to talk because right now it's still having problems. So I I just wanted to let you guys know that Nintendo should fix this.